Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Ngayong araw na ito ay magsosolve tayo ng Learning Task 2A on page 25. So instruction, we have used the remainder theorem to find the remainder R and then check using synthetic division. Okay, number 1. So we have the dividend here and we have x plus 2. Pwedeng isulat ito ng P and then X polynomial X is equal to X to the 4th minus X cubed plus 2. Kung ano ang nandito, yun ang nandito. Kung ito ay A, so ito ay A to the 4th minus A cubed plus 2. Kung ito ay heart, edi heart to the 4th minus heart 3 plus 2. So, kung anong nandito, siya yung nandoon. Kung ito ay x plus 5, so we have x plus 5 to the 4th minus x plus 5 to the 3rd. Ito, papalitan natin ng number para masolve natin kung ito ay magiging 0. Kapag naging 0 dito, it means wala tayong remainder. Kung may number, yun ang remainder. So, ano ang ilalagay natin dito? Dito, punta tayo. By zero factor theorem o zero factor property, ini-equate ito sa 0. So, x plus 2 is equal to 0 and then transpose yung 2 sa kabila, yung positive magiging negative. So, yung divisor, ang gagawin lang doon is change the sign. This one is positive, magiging negative. Kung negative, magiging positive. So, you have negative 2. So, dito, itong x, ang ilalagay natin sa mga ito is yung negative 2. So, ganito na siya. P, negative 2. Ibig sabihin, yung mga x na yon dati ay magiging negative 2. Ipapalit natin. Is equal to, okay, ilalagay na natin sa parenthesis. So, you have negative 2 to the 4th minus 2 again, minus 2, negative 2 to the 3rd, and then plus 2. Okay, so ito, P to the negative 2. So, negative to the 4th. Negative to an even exponent. Kapag tinimes natin ng 4 na beses, itong negative, ang final sign niya ay positive. Okay? So, dito, pag negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, positive na siya. So, dito, positive ang sign. So, 2 to the 4th. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, ito ay 16. Okay, minus. O, kopya yung minus. Negative to the 3rd power, exponent ay odd number. Ang final sign dito, pag erase natin sa 3rd power o odd exponent, ay negative. So, dito, ito yung sign of operation. Ilalagay muna natin sa parenthesis. So, ang sign ng final answer natin dito ay negative. And then, 2 cubed is 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. So, lagay dito, 8. Kopyahin yung plus 2. And then, last, P to the negative 2 is equal to 16. Yung negative times negative, like signs in multiplication, ay magiging positive. Dahil yung final sign niya. And then yung 8. And then yung 2. Okay, dito na natin lagay yung answer. So, 16 plus 8 is 24 plus 2 ay 26. Kung may remainder, tayo, hindi 0, hindi nag-0, ibig sabihin, ito ay hindi niya factor. Pag nag-0, siya ay isa sa factors ng polynomial natin. So, i-check natin ito by synthetic division. So, yung x plus 2, binabago natin ng sign. Ginagamit natin negative 2. So, dito, we have negative 2. Iwalay natin siya. Okay. Numerical coefficients nito. Siya ba yung naka-arrange na? Descending power of x. 4, 3, nawawala ay 2, at saka yung x to the first. So, may dalawang blanco ron. Sabunin natin ang numerical coefficient of x to the fourth. Ano ito? Walang number. So, it's 1. 1. Kasunod ng 4 ay 3. O, ano ito? 1 din. Kaya lang ay negative. O, lagay yung sign. Negative. O, ang x squared, wala. So, ilalagay ninyo ay 0 kung wala. Pagkatapos ng x squared ay x. Pero wala naman siyang x. So, ilagay pa rin ay 0. At last ay yung number na positive 2. Okay, positive 2. And then, lagay natin ito. Bring down o carry down yung 1. Dito ilalagay ang 1. Tapos, ito ang pang times. So, negative 2 times 1. Dito yung answer. Negative 2. Dito naman, aadin natin yan. Addition. So, negative 1, negative 2 is negative 3. Okay. And then, times na naman tayo para ilagay dito. Negative times negative ay positive. Sign muna. 3 times 2 ay 6. Then, add natin. 0 plus 6 ay 6. Positive. And then, dito, magta-times na naman tayo. Sign muna. Negative times positive ay negative. And then, 2 times 6 ay 12. And then, add. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. O, times naman tayo. Negative times negative ay positive. And 2 times 12 ay 24. And then, add natin. 2 plus 24 is 26. At yung last na number na yon, ito, sa synthetic division, yun ang ating remainder. So, tama ba ang remainder natin doon sa pag-substitute ng negative 2 dito sa equation na ito? 26 ito. 26 ito. Okay. So, check. And then, conclusion is, ito talaga ay hindi factors ng one of the factors nito. Hindi siya factor. Okay, number 2. Okay, P, we have negative 3 here. So, ito ay magiging x na lang. X is equal to positive 3. Negative, transpose sa kabila is positive 3. Okay, so P, isasub natin yung 3. So, we have parenthesis dito ay 3 to the cubed o to the third power minus 2 tapos yung 3 dito is squared plus 3. Pwedeng ilagay sa parenthesis, pwedeng hindi naman. And then plus 6. Okay. O, PEMDAS or BUDMAS ang ginagamit dito. 3 cube, walang problema, positive. Di positive ang answer. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. So this one is 27. Minus, wag ita-times yung 2 times 3. Mag-raise muna tayo sa second power. So, kopyahin ng 2. And then 3 times 3 is 9. So, ito ay 9. Plus, adin na natin plus ito. 3 plus 6. So, plus 3 plus 6 is 9. And then, dito, we have 27 minus 18. 2 times 9, 18. Plus 9 is equal to 27 minus 18 is 9 plus 9. Ito is equal to 18. Therefore, itong x minus 3, siya ay hindi factor ng polynomial natin. Hindi siya one of the factors, hindi. Because meron tayong remainder. Alright, check natin kung tama yung 18 by synthetic division. Synthetic, o x minus 3, 3, therefore pang times siya. So, we have 3, yun ang pang-multiply natin mamaya. Alright, numerical coefficient. Naka-arrange na ba siya? 3, 2, 1, and then it's complete. So, wala tayong problema. We have 1, and then negative 2, and then positive 1, and then positive 6. Lagyan ng line dito, at lagyan ng plus. I-plus lahat dito. Yun ang pang times natin. Positive na siya. Bring down 1, dito. Positive times positive is positive. 1 times 3 ay 3. And then 3 minus 2 is positive 1. Okay. Positive times positive is positive. 3 times 1 is 3. Aadin natin, 1 plus 3 ay 4, positive. Positive times positive is positive. 3 times 4 is 12. And then addin natin ito. So, this is 18. At ito ang ating remainder. So, ang remainder natin sa synthetic division is 18. Doon sa substitution ng remainder theorem is also 18. Therefore, tama na ang x minus 3 ay hindi factor ng ating polynomial. So, we have this problem here. Okay. So, tingnan natin. May remainder theorem kung anong remainder niya. So, p x minus 2, siya ay magiging positive 2. So, we have 2 here. Pag ginawa mo itong 2, lahat ng x doon magiging 2. So, is equal to, yung x, magiging 2 na yan, 2 to the 4th. Minus 3, bracket o parenthesis, yung x ay 2 to the 3rd power. May plus doon. And then 4 times x ay 2 to the 2nd power minus 6 times x ay 2 and then plus 4. Habang masyado. Equals 2 to the 4th, positive naman siya, walang problema, positive. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. So, ito ay 16. And then, minus 3, kopya, wag ita-times sa 2. 2 cube. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 ay 8. So, ito ay 8 plus, kopya ulit yung 4, 2 square. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 6 times 2 is 12. Huwag kalimutan yung 4. Okay. Times na tayo. 16 minus 3 times 8, 24 plus 4 times 4, 16 minus 12 plus 4. Okay? And if that one is P, 2. Okay. Kung siya ay 0, ibig sabihin siya ang remainder. Ito ang remainder natin. It means na yung x minus 2 ay factor ng ating polynomial. Okay? Alright. Check natin by synthetic division. X minus 2, 2. So we have 2. Okay. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then number. So, complete at naka-arrange na siya. So, numerical coefficient na pinakamataas, x to the fourth is 1. Mga cube is negative 3. And then x squared is positive 4. And then negative 6. And then plus 4. Lagyan ng line. And then ito ay plus, itong 2 ay pang times. Carry down yung first numerical coefficient na 1. And then ito magta-times, dito ilalagay ang answer. Sign muna, positive times positive is positive. 1 times 2, dito yung 2. Hindi dito ha. Okay, dito tayo. Magkaibang sign, magsusubtract 3 minus 2 is 1. So, this one is negative 1. Then, sign ulit para dito. Negative times positive is negative. 1 times 2 ay 2. Right, then, magkaiba ng sign. Subtract natin yung 2 doon sa 4. So, we have 2, mas malaki si 4, positive, so positive siya. Sign para dito, positive times positive ay positive. 2 times 2 ay 4. And then, addin natin. Kaya lang magkaibang signs, subtraction na rin. Ulit, 6 minus 4 is 2. Mas malaki si 6 na negative, kaya negative siya. Okay, sign dito. Negative times positive is negative. 2 times 2 is 4. And then, 4 minus 4 is 0. So, itong last na ito, yun ang ating remainder. At ang remainder natin ay 0. Dito, ang remainder natin ay 0 by using remainder theorem. Therefore, yung x minus 2 ay factor nitong ating polynomial.